Mulberry. This one, oh. Kaabot na gyud mi diri. Kanang the black one na. Black ha. Okay. Black. That one,
This
oh.
is considered black.
Yeah. This one, oh. Cute siya.
Dagan na ka nakuha.
Okay. Sige, go. Go there. That one na. Daghan siya na ko. Di pa. Here, oh. Malingaw ko gid eh. The black one. Yeah, oh. That one na.
Why not the red?
No, that's not ripe.
Is these raspberries?
No, mulberry.
Wala pa na, dili pa na yan.
Did you?
Yes, try it.
You pick the black one.
Black one na.
Oh,
Why?
accidentally.
It's okay. Kanang black. Cute kayo siya. Yummy. Like it? Sige, more.
Dinhi 4 years.
This one, no? Black.
Dito, ibabaw.
Oh, na.
Ay, jula.
Sige, more. This one ako.
Ma'am, i-open po to ninyo ang taas, ma'am. Oo. Nga po karon na all dili lang kasakaan kay dinhi.
This one ako. The black one.
Wala ba sila?
Look at it. Got it. Be, oh.
Wanna try this one?
Pero na yung mga hinog kay manewa may gadto. Pwede man. Pwede akong gipadto.
No. This one, no.
No, I choose that black.
Black.
Talag yung black talag.
Black.
Kay pait man siya.
No. Overripe na, oh.
Ito sa dito.
Okay.
What happened?